Hey guys, so recently I was trying to connect to the Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi network that you see here at the top, and I found that my phone was no longer able to connect. I went through all kinds of things. I looked online. Some people were able to fix it here and there, some people were not. I contacted customer service because I had been having problems with my home internet, which I had found could be possibly connected. Home internet issues resolved. Told to update the phone, so I updated the phone. Issue did not resolve. So the next time I talked to them, like a week later, they told me that I needed to update my phone again because another update had come out and that update should fix it. Did not. I spent quite a bit on chat one day and got transferred to 4 different agents. Last agent was very rude and closed the chat on me without resolving the issue. Chatted in again today, and again I got the runaround. But they made a comment of downloading Wi-Fi profile in the app. Now they made me uninstall and reinstall the app because they claimed that was going to be part of the issue. But they told me to click the person up here and that there should be an option to download Spectrum Wi-Fi profile. As you can see, there is no option here. I Google searched install the Spectrum Wi-Fi profile iPhone because I thought maybe it's different because I have an iPhone versus an Android. So this is what I get. I get the general, like everything that they kept sending me, which I had already done well before I chatted. But then I found this. So if you click on this, you have to do it from the device you're trying to connect. You sign in here to this website and it asks you to download the profile. Once you do that, you'll go to settings, general VPN and device management. So once I had done that, the Spectrum Mobile thing was listed here. I clicked on it, I hit to install, and then once I did that, I went and turned my Wi-Fi off and back on, and now I'm connected to the Spectrum Mobile Wi-Fi, which is what I've been trying to do this whole time. Run in circles, hung up on, transferred a billion times. Not the best customer service experience. They definitely don't know what they're doing. All right, and that is how I resolved this issue. I hope this helps you with your device, since it seems like the Spectrum team cannot. Let me know down below if this helped you. Thanks. Bye.